my digital video class. In this class, let us see terms splitting into micro terms in octahedral and tetrahedral fields for DNA electronic configurations of transitional metal complexes, electronic configurations of transitional metal complexes, spectroscopic ground energy term and higher energy term, Orkel diagrams, term splitting in octahedral field with micro terms, term splitting in tetrahedral field with micro terms. Let us start from the electronic configurations D1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, D10 having ground energy term 1s, no higher energy term. For D5, ground energy term 6s, no higher energy term. D1 and D9, same number of unpaired electrons, 1. The ground energy term is 2d, no higher energy term. For D4 and D6, same number of unpaired electrons, 4. The ground energy term is 3d, no higher energy term. D2 and D8, same number of unpaired electrons, 2. The ground energy term is 3f and higher energy term is 3p. For D3 and D7, number of unpaired electrons 3, ground energy term 4f, higher energy term 4p. Let us see term splitting into micro terms. D10, 1s term, you get only one micro term, 1a, 1z. For D5, 6s term, you get only one micro term, 6a, 1z. For D1 and D9, for 2d term, micro terms are 2t2g and 2eg. For D4 and D6, 3d term, micro terms are 3t2g and 3eg. For D2 and D8, micro terms are 3a2g plus 3t1g plus 3t2g. These three are arising from the 3f term and 3t1g micro term arising from the 3p. For D3 and D7, 4a2g, 4t1g, 4t2g, these three terms are arising from the 4f ground energy term, and from 4p higher energy term you get only one micro term, 4t1g. The difference between these term splitting in octahedral field and tetrahedral fields with micro terms is that the letter G is dropped from all these cases, then you get the term splitting in tetrahedral field with micro terms. Just simply drop the Z and write the same. And let us see the Orkel diagram. Here 2D and 3D, I am writing in general ND Orkel diagram, here also ND Orkel diagram. For these D2 and D8 and D3 and D7, 3F, 3P, 4F and 4P respectively, I am writing in general NF and NP, NF and NP Orkel diagram. These micro terms are not in energy order. If you want to know the energy of these micro terms, then you have to see the Orkel energy level diagram. Then only you can know the energy of these micro terms. But here the energy of the terms, ground energy term or higher energy terms, we can predict by Hund's rules. You can see the previous video. In the next video, we will see the Orgel energy diagram with micro terms, with the energy order also. Thank you.